Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that explores the wonders of our universe and the latest developments in space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded of the vast mysteries waiting to be unraveled. And today, we're going to dive into some exciting news that's got the space community buzzing. From the far reaches of our solar system to the moon and beyond, we've got a plethora of fascinating stories to share with you. Let's start with the latest update on Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object in space. This intrepid spacecraft has been traveling through the cosmos for over 4 decades, and it's about to break a new record. On November 18, 2026, Voyager 1 will reach a staggering distance of 1 light day from Earth, marking a major milestone in its journey. To put that into perspective, a light day is the distance light travels in 1 day, which is approximately 26 billion kilometers, or 16 billion miles. That's an incredible feat, considering it was launched back in 1977. But Voyager 1 isn't the only spacecraft making headlines. NASA's Artemis missions are gearing up to target the South Pole-Aitken basin on the Moon, a region of immense scientific interest. This massive impact crater is believed to have formed when an asteroid struck the Moon at a low angle, ejecting rocks from both the lunar crust and mantle onto the surface. The new studies on this region will provide valuable insights for future astronauts who will land in and around the South Pole-Aitken basin. And, speaking of potential habitats for humans, a NASA scientist is arguing that Saturn's icy moon Titan could be the perfect place to settle. With its abundant hydrocarbons and atmosphere, Titan offers a unique environment that could support human life. While it may seem like a distant prospect, it's an intriguing idea that highlights the possibilities of establishing a human presence beyond Earth. But what about companies like Voyager Technologies, which are working towards creating sustainable habitats for humans in space? They've recently acquired Astrobotic, a company that's developing technologies for lunar exploration, including landers and solar-powered distribution systems. This move could potentially pave the way for more private investment in space exploration and development. As we explore these stories and more, we're reminded of the incredible progress being made in space technology and research. From record-breaking spacecraft to potential habitats on other moons, the possibilities are endless, and the future of space exploration has never looked brighter. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're exploring the wonders of the universe, and now we're going to delve into a fascinating project that's about to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Imagine being able to survey the sky 100 times faster than any previous ground-based radio telescope and producing the highest quality radio images to date. This is precisely what the Deep Synoptic Array promises to achieve. Located in the Great Basin of Nevada, this vast array of 20-foot-wide dishes will span over 123 square miles, making it one of the largest radio telescope arrays ever built. The project's principal investigator, Greg Hallinan, emphasizes that the sheer number of antennas makes this unique and unlike other existing telescopes. By combining the sensitivity of a single large dish with the sharp imaging capabilities of an array, the Deep Synoptic Array will be able to pick up faint radio waves from deeper in the cosmos while capturing detailed images of millions of stars, galaxies, and other cosmic objects. The potential discoveries are vast. From supermassive black holes to spinning dead stars known as pulsars, and fast radio bursts that originate from deep space, this array is designed to uncover secrets of the universe that have been hidden until now. With funding from Schmidt Sciences, a philanthropic organization created by Eric Schmidt, the former CEO of Google, and his wife Wendy, the project is slated to begin construction next year and be completed by 2029. As Professor Vikram Ravi, a co-principal investigator for the Deep Synoptic Array, aptly puts it, radio astronomy is about to go from sketch to photograph. The implications are profound. By conducting at least 5 surveys of the sky, researchers will be able to pinpoint the exact locations of radio sources, allowing other telescopes to follow up with more detailed observations. The site in Nevada's White Pine County was carefully chosen for its natural shield against radial frequency interference, a crucial factor for such sensitive equipment. As Greg Hallinan notes, this telescope is so sensitive it could detect a cell phone signal from as far away as the Sun, underscoring the need for a remote and quiet location. As we await the construction and eventual operation of the Deep Synoptic Array, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring mysteries that lie beyond our planet. The universe, with all its complexities and wonders, beckons us to explore and understand it better. Welcome back to Star Chat. Today, we've been exploring the latest developments in space technology and the stock market. As we wrap up our show, let's take a closer look at the recent IPO of Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX. The company made history with the largest IPO in stock market history, but some investors are cautious about jumping into the market. There are two main reasons to wait before buying SpaceX shares. Firstly, history hasn't been kind to blockbuster IPOs, with many experiencing an initial pop followed by underperformance over the next few years. Investor enthusiasm and hype drive prices up, but eventually the hype cools down and there's a sell-off. Secondly, there are still many shares that have yet to hit the market due to lockup periods which restrict insiders from selling their shares. When these shares become available, it's likely that there will be more selling than buying, driving prices down. However, there's also a reason to buy SpaceX right now. Time in the market beats timing the market. Instead of waiting for the perfect time to invest, it's often better to put your money to work early and benefit from compounding. Trying to time the market can be counterproductive, and if you're investing in SpaceX with a long-term perspective, the exact entry price doesn't mean too much. As we consider the future of space technology and the companies that are pushing the boundaries, it's essential to keep a level head and make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's crucial to remember that the stock market can be unpredictable. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.